Hello guys, I will show you how to disable error report dialog pop-up on Ubuntu 18.04. So if you have this problem and you have an error report dialog pop-up, just follow me. So let's open terminal and copy the first command. And let's copy. And yes to continue. For install GKSU and start to install. Let's give the password to open this and change this enabled one to 0 and let's save. And now just reboot your PC and the error report dialog pop-up will disappear. So this is how to disable the error report dialog pop-up on Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.